Hello everyone, just look outside, it's pouring down with rain, absolute washout. It's a perfect excuse to stay in, so let's relax, let's look back. Here is my best of 2025. Okay, the first trip up, it's River Thames, locals call this Papilou Island. Fish 2 days, very beautiful spot, managed to snag a few perch, but look here, so many swans, and spot that, a black swan, rare to see. It was so chaotic, dogs running through my fishing lines, never a dull moment. Here's the next adventure, back on the Thames, near Oxford now. Stunning countryside. I arrived and saw the water, hundreds of bream just swimming there, even one carp right amongst them. Okay guys, I will try to give fish some bread. Okay, one took some. I got lucky, got some nice big bream here. Hey guys, have a look at it. Huge one. Amazing. But that's not all. I set out 7 crayfish traps. Check this haul. Wow guys, I got the first one out and I got about, I don't know, 20 of crayfish in the first one. I got one, it's not so many there, maybe about 10, but I got few big ones. The other one is, oh my god, there's so many in there, and quite a few big ones as well. Loads of crayfish, a proper feast. Okay, next session, my local carp lake. I'm targeting carp, but sometimes you blank. There was no carp today, but it was not wasted. I landed 3 lovely green tench. Lovely tench. Let's have a look guys, another beautiful tench. Still such a success. Then I moved on to the River Trent. 3-day trip. The fishing was pretty consistent. Nice bream landed. I got one bream. Nice one. It is like a midnight. A few perch. Oh, got fish guys. Beautiful perch. See? Come on, calm down. But the highlight, just relaxing. It's a lovely day today, better than yesterday. Getting a bit of the sunshine through the clouds. The wind is quiet down now as well. It's a lovely, beautiful day. The fire is burning really well now. had a fantastic barbecue. Okay guys, my barbecue is ready. Good food, good times. Okay, for the next one, I'm back to the local carp lake. Can he get through this gap? Yes, he's through. Redemption time. This time, success. Okay guys, I'm into another fish. Come in the net. Here you go. Got it. Look at this, guys. What a beautiful carp. Okay, have a look at this beautiful carp last time, and off he goes into the deep. I caught a 3 nice big carp, and look who came to visit. Cute little babies. Feeding the ducks, cute baby ducklings. Nature is great. Alright, back to the trend. Something different this time. My new kayak. First time out. Spinning rod ready. Paddling the river. Okay, I see. I got a lot of weeds, I think. No, actually I got a fish. Yeah, guys, have a look. I caught a perch. Very nice. Yes. Have a look, guys. Got a lovely perch. While trolling on my... I'm just gonna release it. Okay, there it goes. Caught 2 perch from the boat. Yes, another lovely fish. Oh, it come off. Nice. I don't have to unhook it. Just look at the shore. Beautiful ship. Meh. Bah. Meh. 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 Sheep just chilling, enjoying the views. And then I met these 3 legends, guys with jet skis. Great to meet.
What are the like?
Yeah.
What are the fish?
Yeah, just a small one. Okay, tried a different local lake here. The action was fast and furious. Oh, come on guys, look. I got another one. Yes. Okay guys, have a look. Got 2 carp in the net now. Yeah, the second one is much smaller. Just a small baby carp. The first one was much bigger. 6 carp landed. A busy session, great fight on. And then I went to Hanningfield Lake. I hired a motorboat, cruising around, just fishing for trout. What a day. Alright guys, I'm in. Lovely fish. Where is it going? Yes, in the net. Look at this, guys. Very nice trout. Beautiful fish. I caught 6 trout that day. Sun was shining. Perfect day out. And the result of that trip, look at this. What a beautiful fish. Fresh smoked trout, tasted amazing. What a year. 2025 was good. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year and see you in 2026. Tight lines.